Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts and welcome. So what I want to show you guys today is how I add some fun little pom-poms, like little buns on the top of my little junky grungy Grammy dolls here. And this is my little Halloween doll that I did, and she's got a cute little Halloween journal in her pocket. And she also holds her little inky little ghost here. So his name is Inky. And if you guys wanted to comment down below, that would be awesome to come up with a fun name for her. And I'm going to have her in my Etsy shop. So the link will be down below. And I'll just pick one of the names. If you guys comment down below, I'd love to hear from you guys and pick one of the names to put on for her. So yeah, just think of something fun that we can do her little name and her little inky ghost here. And I also have patterns down below on how to make my junky grungy Grammy dolls and my little witches and different things that I've been working on. There's tons of patterns down below in the description box and a bunch of dolls that are in my shop. So what I want to do is take my, here, I'll show you guys. What you're going to need is some sort of yarn. But what I have here is just the Lions brand. It's just the homespun. And I'll make sure to have this in my Amazon link so you guys can come check it out and pick out whatever colors you want. Today I'm going to be using the darker color here, the black. So I got that, scissors, and some glue. And this is just Fabric Fix glue, which is in my links below, and just a sweet sugar bell icing container. And it works out great. It has a great metal tip and everything to it. So works out really good. So let's get started here. I don't need these colors. I'm just going to go ahead and use the black. And what I'm going to do is just take my two fingers. Some people take cardboard, like they'll cut the cardboard to a perfect size and wrap it around that. You could, of course, do that. But what I like to do is go ahead and take, let's see, I like to do a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4, say 5 inches. Just cut off 5 inches. 2 sets because we're going to do 2 pom-poms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About roughly. I mean, this part doesn't matter really. So there's just those that we're going to need for later. Okay, since we're making 2. And then I just take my finger, my thumb, hold it, and wrap it around 20 times. Okay. So just 20 times and do it loosely around your fingers. Don't do it tight or it's just going to be hard to get off of there. So you do that. We're just going to do a little snip here. And then I'm going to grab this part and pinch it. Okay. And then I'm going to pinch it together right in the middle. And then take your 5-inch strip that you cut piece, and we're just going to tie it in the middle. So this is how I've always made pom-poms. I was a little girl, and really easy to do. And I just knot it. That. Yeah. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same to the other one. So we got both of them all ready to go to this point. And then I just grab on to the part that I tied here. And we're going to take our scissors and just go through all the loops that we made. So we'll do it on this side, other side. Okay. We got ourselves a pom-pom. Now, all we got to do now is just go ahead and cut it so it looks rounded. So I'm just going to take it and start trimming it. There we go. So just depending on how big you want your little pom-pom, I mean, you could keep cutting it down and make it as big as you want it or as small as you want it. So just keep cutting it to how you like it. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. And then I'll show you guys how I attach it to her head. So I went ahead and I got these cut to size, and I think they turned out pretty cute here. Now the thing is if you do cut them on the table or anything like that, just make sure to take like a wet wipe or a washcloth or something wet to get all the little fibers off in the, after you get the pile and stuff off of here. Because if you set your doll down on it, it'll get all over. Just a little tip and trick there. But usually if I have a lot of pom-poms I'm going to make, I like to cut them over like the trash can, because that's just the easiest, just to stand over the trash can and just cut, and then it all goes in there. That's usually what I do if there's a bunch to make. But so now you can, that's why you keep the little ties, the 5-inch tie that we did, and tie it around, and then make sure not to cut it. If you're going to tie it onto something, it's kind of nice to have, okay? But in this case, we're not going to be tying it down. I'm going to go ahead and cut it to size here, and then I will show you what we're doing. I'm just going to take it and cut it. And just see on it. I mean, look at that. Is that so cute? I'm going to put them like right here. I'm going to take my Fabric glue. I'm just going to give it a good amount of glue. Doesn't go anywhere. Okay. And then this is the part where you have to commit. So you find a spot and you just put it down. Just like that. Do not take it back up. Do not try to really fuss with it too much, because you don't want to rip the hair underneath. Where you want it. Okay. We're going to do the same thing to the other one. And then just take it. On it. Pop it down. That. So I'm going to hold it in place for a second. Oh my gosh. Is that the cutest, you guys? So she's got little buns. I just wanted to pop on real quick here and show you guys how to add some fun little pom-pom buns to your little grungy dolls. So I think that turned out really cute. And you could just keep pressing it down if you want to hold it a little longer to let it set and make sure it's going to stick where you want it. So it turned out really cute. And I'm looking forward to little comments down below on her name that you want to name her. And if I have her in my shop, I'll have a name for her. And if she sells before this video is over with, I will be making more of these, and I'll make sure to take some of your guys' names, and I'll name these little guys. But super fun. So it's my little pom-pom girls here with my little inky ghosts. And the little inky ghost pattern is down below if you guys want to know how to make this little guy. I'll have a pattern down below that you guys can come click on and make your own little inky ghost. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.